Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different in react.js. Yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn something new, something different in react.js. And guys, today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn what is useEffect hook and how to use useEffect hook in React and how to use useEffect hook to fetch API in our React app, in our React application. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are completely going to learn what is useEffect hook and how to use useEffect hook in React and how to use useEffect hook to fetch the API from external server. Okay, and we will also learn what is side effects in react.js and how to perform, how to do side effects using the useEffect hook in React. Okay, in this video, in this session. Okay, so guys, by using the useEffect hook, we are going to we are going to do side effects, and by using the useEffect hook also, we are going to fetch the third party API. We are going to fetch the third party API from the external server in our React app. Okay, and using the useEffect hook only, we are going to create an awesome and dynamic application using react.js. Okay, with me ER Prabhat Pandit in this video, in this session. Okay, so guys, just to show you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain you all the feature, all the functionalities of the example as well. Okay, so let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the feature, all the functionalities of the example to you, so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn and today what we are going to create in this video, in this session. Okay, so let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely react.js and useEffect hook. Okay, and here we can see the heading also, fetch and show users data using useEffect hook in React and Pagination. Okay, yes guys, you read that right. Today in this video, in this session guys, I'm going to explain you, I'm going to teach you completely about what is useEffect and what is side effects in react.js and how we can perform side effects using the useEffect hook, and we will also learn how to create pagination, how to do pagination using useEffect hook in React in this video, in this session. Okay, with me ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, and guys, here we can see here one button also to apply dark mode or to apply light mode. Okay, so through this button we can toggle the theme between light mode and dark mode. Okay, we can toggle the themes, okay, between light mode and dark mode by using this button called apply dark mode. Okay, so guys, as of now you can see here this is the light mode. Okay, so the default theme is light mode. Okay, so we have to apply dark mode using this button apply dark mode. Okay, so guys, now I am going to apply here the dark mode. Okay, using this button. Okay, so we have to click this button in order to apply the dark mode. So click it now. So see, boom guys, now dark mode is now applied, and you can see here the button text also changes to apply light mode. Okay, so you can see guys, the app is so dynamic, the app is so vast. Okay, it is going to feel it is going to give you the feel that okay, we have created some native mobile app using the React native. Okay, but this is completely react.js, and I have used here useEffect, and I have used here the pagination as well to create this awesome dynamic and robust application using react.js and useEffect. Okay, so guys, now you can see here dark mode is now already applied, and you can see here the button text also changes to apply light mode. Okay, so guys, now this is the some details about the users. Okay, so this is the user card. Okay, so as of now I have shown here 3 user card. Okay guys, you are free to show 4 user card, 5 user cards, okay, 6 user cards. So it is up to you how many user cards you want to show on a single page. Okay, because you can see here I have implemented here the pagination as well. Okay, so as of now I have shown here 3 user cards. Okay, but it is completely up to us, it is completely up to you only how many user cards you are going to show on your browser in a single page. Okay, so now let me just click this okay button 2 to go to the next page to show the next 3 user cards. Okay, so click second or 2, see dynamically it is also changing. Click 3, see it is also changing the user card. Okay, so now click fourth button, see, so you can see here on the on the fourth page, on the last page I have just shown here single user card, because we are getting the only 10 user data from the external API from the external server. Okay, so that's why on the last page we can see only single user card. Okay, so let me just show you one more time. So click the first button, so this is the 3 user card. Click on second button, this is the 3 user card, so total 6. Click on third button, so this is the again 3 user card, so total 9 user cards as of now so far. So click on the fourth button, so you can see here this is the last user card. On the fourth page I have just shown here single user card. Okay, so let me just change the number of user card. Okay, let me just make it, okay, I'll just say here 5. Okay, so we will have only 2 page now. Okay, because you can see here users per page now I have increased here up to 5, so we will be able to only second page, and on each and every page we will have 5 user cards. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser. So now let me just refresh the page. Okay, so you can see here only now we can see here 5 user cards. Okay, you can see here now the 5 user cards. Okay, so we will have only 2 page. Okay, I told you we will have only 2 page, so this is the first page and this is the second page. Okay, so click on second, you can see here we have got only 2 page, because we are getting here 10 users data, and I have shown here 5 user cards on each and every page. So that's why we can see here only 2 buttons. So this is the first page and this is the second page, and on each and every page I have shown here 5 user cards. Okay, so let me just apply the dark mode. Okay, so we can see here dark mode is still available. Okay, whenever we will switch the page, whenever we will change the page also, then also our dark mode is going to persist. Okay, see dark mode is still here. And guys, now below we can see here 2 buttons also. Okay, contact user and see details. Okay, so guys, on each and every user card we can see here 2 buttons also. The first button is called contact user and the second button is called see details. Okay, so guys, whenever you will hover over the second first button, contact user, you are going to see the user email address in the tooltip. Okay, so whenever you will hover on the first button, you are going to see the user email address in the tooltip. Okay, in the tooltip. Okay, go on the first page, you can see here I have shown here the user email address in the tooltip. Whenever we are going to hover over the first button called contact user. Okay, and guys, now whenever you will click on the second button, you are going to see each and every details about the particular user in the nice and dynamic modal as well. Okay, so let me just click this button, see details of this first user. So click it now, see details. See, You can see here the modal is also in the dark mode, because as of now you can see here dark mode is now applied. So we can see here the modal is also okay, the modal is also in the dark mode. Okay, so either we can click cancel, or we can click OK button to dismiss this modal, to dismiss this pop-up. Okay, so click OK now. So I want to see the details of this user, the second user. So click the button see details. You can see here, click icon. We can also dismiss this modal by clicking anywhere on this gray area, and by clicking on this cross icon or the close icon, or by pressing these two cancel and OK button as well. Okay, so close this modal from here. This cross icon is gone. I want to see the details of this third user. See details, click anywhere on this gray area. It's gone. This fourth user, I'm going to see the details. See, so as of now let me just remove the dark mode, and let me just apply the light mode. So click the button apply light mode. So light mode is now applied. So let me just see the details of this user in modal. So we have to click this button see details. So hit it now. So see, boom guys, you can see here now the dark mode is also removed from the modal as well. Okay, you can see here the dark mode is also removed from the modal as well. Okay, so click OK. Let me just go to the second page. So you can see here second page is now here. Let me just see the details of this user. See, this user, and this user, and this user. Okay, so now let me just apply the dark mode now. Apply dark mode. Click the button to apply the dark mode. See, boom guys, now the dark mode is applied. We can just see details also. You can see, boom guys, you can see here the modal is also like a dark mode. Okay, the modal is also in the dark mode. Okay, because this is the universal app. Okay guys, I have created here, this is the universal and world class app. Okay, you can see here I have implemented here the dark mode also, light mode also, and I have implemented here the pagination as well. Okay, using the custom react.js code. Okay, so guys here each and everything is custom. Okay, nothing guys, I have not used here any third party library to apply dark mode, to create this pagination. No, each and everything is here guys customizable, and you can guys personalize, you can customize this app according to your need, according to your requirements. Okay, so guys this is the feature, this is the functionality of this the app. Okay, and we are going to learn that how to create this kind of dynamic and yet robust application using the useEffect hook and using the pagination also, and we are also going to learn what is useEffect and how to use useEffect, and how to use useEffect to fetch the third party API, to fetch the third party external API, and how to implement, how to perform the side effects using the useEffect hook in this video, in this session with me, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this dynamic yet cool application using useEffect and the custom pagination as well in React. Okay, with me Prabhat Pandit. Okay, but guys before starting of the video I would like to request you all guys, please guys subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with and please press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist you can be notified and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also, and definitely guys you will grow also in your professional career as well. Okay, and please guys do share this video with your friends, with your colleague, with your group also, so that along with you they can also learn new things in React, and they will definitely thank you, they will definitely be grateful to you. Okay, that you shared this dynamic video with them as well. Okay, so guys I hope you will subscribe now. please guys, okay, consider me as a friend, consider me as a brother. I need your help, I need your support. And guys, you all know that the only way you can help me and the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my this channel code with er, and by pressing the bell icon also, and by liking this video as well. Okay, and please guys, okay, please do comment, okay, something what you have learned, okay, a new awesome from this video, from this session, in the comment section below. Please guys, do comment something, okay, and do like this video as well. Okay, and please guys, okay, uh thank you guys, thanks a lot, okay, who has already subscribed to my this channel code with er. Thanks a lot guys, thanks a lot, okay, from my bottom of the heart. Okay, and please guys, okay, thank you to also those guys who has not yet subscribed to my this channel code with er. Please guys, subscribe now my this channel code with er. Okay, please guys, you can see I'm putting a lot of hard work, I'm putting a lot of hard efforts to create awesome videos, to create dynamic videos, okay, for you guys, so that you can watch it and you can learn from them also on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now as well. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay, so guys, in this video we are completely going to learn what is use effect, how to perform the side effects, and how to fetch the API using the use effect. Okay, in this complete video, in this complete session, and we will also learn how to implement the pagination using React as well. Okay, with me er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to use here the VS Code editor. Guys, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences. Okay, I'm going to use here the VS Code editor to write my codes. Okay, so let me just create here new file first. I'm going to create here new file. I'll say here use effect in react.jsx. Save the file in the components folder, hit save. So let me just import here few first of all, let me just import here React. Okay, so I'll import here React, and let me just import here the hooks also, use state, and I'm going to import the use effect hook also. Okay, so use effect. Okay, so guys, after watching this video, you are going to become master in using the use state and use effect hook in React. Okay, and guys, this video is completely for new beginners in react.js. Guys, if you are new to react.js, and if you are learning react.js in 2025, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch the entire video till last, very carefully and very patiently as well. Okay, please guys, don't skip the video, don't fast forward the video. If otherwise, if you will miss something, you will miss each and everything, and at the end you are going to scratch your head, you are going to, okay, like regret that you have wasted entire time. Okay, okay, and you didn't learn anything from this video, from this session. So please don't do that, don't skip the video, and don't fast forward the video, because this video is completely on use effect and on use state hook in React, and we are also going to learn how to implement the pagination as well. Okay, in this complete video, in this complete session. Okay, with me er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so let's just minimize this. I'm going to import here like tooltip also from the and design as well. So tooltip, I'm going to import here the button as well as the modal also from and design as well, not from bootstrap, from the and design. Okay, so let's just copy it from here. I can, guys, I can import here in like in a single go also. Okay, so button, and I'm going to import here the modal as well. Okay, from and design. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now let me just create here one const also. I'm going to create here one const. I'll just say here fetch API data using use effect. Okay, equal to, I'll just use here the fat function. Always I would like to use here the fat function. So let me just return the things also. So let me just create here wrapper div or the container div. We can use the JSX as well inside the return if we want. Okay, but I would like to use here the wrapper div or the container div. Okay, so let's just open this. Let me just export this first. So I'm going to export it first. I'll say here export default fetch, okay, API data using useEffect. Okay, so close this. So let me just create here, let me just give here a few classes also, okay, from the bootstrap. Okay, so I'll just use the container class first. Okay, and I'm going to give here margin top also 4. I'll give here the margin bottom also 4. So this is it. Okay, so let me just first of all let me just create here button to apply the dark mode. Okay, so let me just create here button, not let just first create here a div. Okay, so I'll just give here the text center to bring the button into the center of the screen. Okay, so let's just close this div. This is it. Now create the button inside this div. Okay, so just create the button. I will just apply the classes also, btn I'll say here info. Okay, info, and this is it. So let me just guys create here couple of state variables first. Okay, so guys I'm going to create here couple of state variables first. Okay, within the same component. Okay, within the same component. Okay, okay, so guys whatever you have to write, okay, like whatever you have to create, like functions, okay, like state variables, we have to do above the this return statement. Okay, we have to do above this return statement. Okay, inside the same component. Okay, inside the same component. Okay, so I'm going to create here a couple of state variables also. So first state variable I'm going to create here is, okay, is I'll just say here users. Okay, and I'll just say here set, okay, set users. Okay, set users as a let me guys explain you one thing very clearly. Okay, let me just explain you one thing very clearly. Okay, very clearly and very vividly as well. Okay, so guys this is known as the array destructuring. Okay guys, this is known as the array destructuring. And this array, guys, this array has exactly two elements. Okay guys, this array has exactly two elements. Okay, and guys the first element is called the state variable. Okay guys, the first like element is known as the state variable, is called as the state variable. And this second element is called as the, is known as the state updater function. This second element is known as the state updater function. Through this state updater function we can only update this user's state variable. Okay, this is it. Okay, okay, so be careful and be mindful. Okay, while declaring or while creating the like state variables in react. Okay, we have to be very careful, we have to be very mindful while creating the state variables in react. Okay, this is it. So let me just create here another state variables. I'll just say here loading. I'll say here set loading. Okay, set loading state updater function, of course from use state. Okay, so as of now just give here loading as a true. So by default it should be true. I'll just create here another state variable. I will just say here error to show the error. Okay, I'll just say here set error to set the error. Okay, so set error state updater function using the state user state. Okay, so as of now just give here the null value. Okay, so I'm going to create here another state variable. I will just create the state variable with the dark mode, and I'm going to create the state updater function using the set dark mode, and from the use state. Okay, this is it. And as of now just give here the default value as a false. Okay, so guys this, okay guys this empty or the blank array, this true, this null, and this false is known as the initial value. Okay, is known as the initial value or the default value of this user state variable, of this loading state variable, of this error state variable, and of this dark mode state variable. Okay, so the default value of this dark mode state variable is false. the default value of this error state variable is null, default value of this loading state variable is true, and default value of this user state variable is the blank or the empty array. This is it. Okay, let me just create here another state variable. I will just create here another state variable. Okay, so const to apply the pagination. Okay, I'll just say here current page. I'll just say here set current page. Okay, so I will just use here the pagination. Also, I explained you we are also going to learn how to implement the pagination using the use effect. Okay, so guys, by default this current page, you can see here the state variable is self explanatory. This says current page. Okay, which means first page, second page, third page, and so on and so forth. Okay, so current page always will be the first page. Okay, so here number 1. Okay, or the 1. So this is the, so 1 is the default value or the initial value of this current page state variable. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now let me just create here one const also. I'll just create here one const user. Okay, user, I'll just say here users per page. Okay, how many users we want to show, guys, per page. Okay, I'll just show here 4. Okay, you can see here, guys, this variable is the self-explanatory. Okay, users per page. Okay, how many users we want to show on the page. Okay, on single page, on every page. Okay, so I want to show only 4 users per page. This is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now this is it. So now, guys, let me just create this button. Now we have to make this button dynamic also, so I am going to do that now. Okay, so we have to make this button now dynamic also. So this is it. So let me just create here the dynamic classes using the backtick. Okay, I am going to apply the classes dynamically using the backtick. Okay, so I'll just use your dollar sign, open and closing curly braces. So I'll just copy this dark mode state variable from here. Okay, so if this is true, if this is true, guys, if dark mode is true, what, so we will just say here apply. Okay, apply light mode. Otherwise we will say here apply, okay, dark mode. Okay, this is it. So let me just show the button text also using this only. So I'll just use here this. Where is the, so copy this. Okay, copy this. If we will just check here if this is true. So if this is true, we will just apply here the text. Okay, button text. Otherwise we will apply here some different text. Okay, so we can just copy this. Okay, we can just copy this, or let's just copy this from here and just paste it here. Okay, not inside this. Okay, inside open and closing curly braces. Okay, so paste it here. This is it. And now we will apply here the, okay, we will apply here some different classes also. We will apply here btn. I will just say here warning. Okay, btn warning. And now I will apply here btn, okay, info. Okay, btn info. Okay, so as of now, just guys, save the file, and now come to this app.jsx. Okay, come to this app.jsx file, and now we have to import it. So I am going to import it now. I'll just say here import. Okay, fetch. Okay, fetch API data using useEffect. So copy this from here and just come down. So we have to paste it like this. Save the file. Now have a look in the browser first. So now we can see here the button also apply dark mode. Okay, we can see here the button. So let me just, okay, comment this old app. Okay, so let me just do this very quickly. So just comment this out also, and now save the file. Now we can see here only this button apply dark mode. Okay, so now come to this our this components. Okay, components. So now below this button I'm going to create here one h3 element as well. I'll just create here h3 element. I'll just let me just give you the class name also. I will just say here display 4, and I'll just say here font width bold. I will just say here text center as well. Okay, let me just copy this. Okay, text from this example only. It is going to save a little bit of time as well. So just come here and just paste it here. So let me just do like this. Okay, so guys, now just save the file and have a look in the browser. You can see here fetch and show users data using useEffect hook in React and Pagination. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now first of all guys, now we have to write here one function also. So now let me just below this, okay, h3 I'm going to create here like one div also. So let me just create here one div. Okay, I'll just give you the class name as a row only. I'll just say here justify content. I'll say here center. Okay, so close this div now. Okay, this is it. So guys, now inside this div we are going to show the user card data. Okay, using the using the data, whatever data we are going to get, whatever data we are going to fetch using the useEffect hook from the third party API. Okay, so as of now let it be. Okay, this is it. So this is it. Okay, so guys, now we have to write here one function also. Okay, I am going to write here one function, one method using this useEffect hook. Okay, using this useEffect hook. Okay, so copy it, and now here I'm going to use here this useEffect hook, and I'm going to use here the fat arrow function. Okay, like this. So give here, we have to give here the dependency array as well. Okay, so guys, this is known as the dependency array. Okay guys, this is known as the dependency array, and our this useEffect, okay guys, our this useEffect is dependent on this dependency array. Okay guys, our this useEffect hook is dependent on this dependency array. Okay, on this dependency array. Okay, as of now we don't have any value inside this dependency array, so our this useEffect hook will will run only once. Okay guys, as of now we don't have any value in our dependency array, so because of that, okay, because of that only our this useEffect hook is going to execute, is going to run only once for the first time whenever our component is going to be mounted, whenever our page is going to be ready for the first time. This useEffect hook is going to run only once, is going to run only once, because here we have nothing in our this dependency array, so that's why this useEffect hook is going to run only once. Okay, and this useEffect hook is dependent on this, okay, on this dependency array. Okay guys, if you will provide any value, guys listen to me very carefully, if you will provide any value as a dependency array value, guys, if you will provide any value as a dependency array value, then this useEffect hook is going to run, is going to execute every time this dependency array value is going to be change, is going to change. Okay, every time this useEffect hook will run, okay, whenever this dependency array value will change. Okay, so this is it all about this useEffect hook. Okay, so let me just open this. So let me just create here the cleanup function as well. Okay, so I'm going to create here the cleanup function as well. Okay, like this. Okay, so guys, this is known as the cleanup function. Okay guys, this return is known as the cleanup function, and this cleanup function will execute once our component is unmounted. Okay guys, this is known as the cleanup function, and this cleanup function will execute, this cleanup function will run every time, okay, our component is going to be unmounted. Okay, this is it. I'll say here cleanup, okay, cleanup function. Okay, this is it. Okay, so here we have to write here the logic. Okay guys, here we have to write the logic for the side effects. Okay, so I'll just write the comment here also. Write your logic here for the side effects in React. Okay, so guys, here we are going to write our logic for the side effects. Okay, so guys, fetching the data, and let me just show you what is the side effects. Okay, let me just give you the complete explanation what is the side effects in React, and how we can perform the side effect using the use effect hook in React. Okay, so let me just give you the details explanation. Okay, so come to this code now. Okay, so guys, here this is the example of side effects. Okay, you can see here guys. Okay, so you can see here in React, side effects refer to any action that occurs in a component outside of rendering, especially action that interact with the outside world. Okay, don't return JSX. Okay, it is not going to return the JSX. Okay, so guys, let me just read this one more time for you. So what is side effects in React? Okay, so guys, it says in React, side effects refer to any action that occurs in a component outside of rendering, especially actions that interact with the outside world. Okay, especially actions that interact with the outside world. Okay, does not or don't return JSX. Okay guys, it is not going to return the JSX. Okay, affects things outside the components scope. Okay, it is going to affect the things, okay, outside the components scope. Okay, so the first example is of the side effect. Okay, so guys, the first and the best example of side effect is going to fetching data. Okay, so guys, the first and the best example of side effects is fetching data. Okay, so you can see here fetching data, this. Okay, setting up the subscriptions or the event listener, setting up the subscriptions or the event listener using the use effect, also manually changing the DOM. Okay guys, this is the third example, this is the third use case of use effect hook, and this is the third use case of side effects in React. Okay, so manually changing the DOM as well. Okay, I showed you how to do, okay, like change the title of the web page. Okay, manually using the DOM changing. So this is the third use case of use effect hook or the side effects in React. Okay, using the use effect hook. Okay, and here this is the fourth use case of side effects. Okay, timer. Okay, so this is the like, let me just read this. Okay, it runs after components render. Okay, it is going to run after components is going to rendered. Okay, it can optionally clean up by rendering a function. I showed you clean up function also. Dependencies can control when the effects run. Okay, I explained you dependencies can control when the effects run. Okay, so you can see here effect. Okay, like code here, and this is the cleaner function, and this is the dependency 1, dependency 2. We can have multiple dependency values as well. Okay, you can see here this is the array, and we can have multiple, okay, dependency array value as well. Okay, we can have single, double, triple, like we can have guys multiple, okay, dependency array value, okay, in our dependency array. Okay, this is it. Okay, so this is the complete explanation, this is the complete use case of side effects in React and using the use effect. Okay, so here is the logic to run or create your side effects. Okay, and this is the cleanup, this is the cleanup function. It is going to execute, it is going to run every time whenever our component is going to be unmounted. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now here I'm going to use here the async and await function. Okay guys, here I'm going to use here async and await function to fetch the third party API using the use effect. Okay, so guys, here I'm going to use here async and await function, okay, to fetch the third party API. Okay, this is it. I'm going to create here one const also. I'll just say here fetch data, this is it. okay, equal to, I'll just use here the async, okay, keyword like this, and we have to, now I have to use here the wait keyword as well, okay, to wait for the promise to be resolved, okay, to wait for the promise to be resolved, okay. So I will be using here the fat arrow function again. So just close this, this is it, okay. So now guys, inside this we are going to use here the try catch block, okay. Inside this we are going to use here the try catch block, okay. We are going to use here the try catch block, okay. This is it, okay. So pass this error object, okay. And now let me just call here the finally block as well, okay. So finally block as well, okay. So guys, listen to me very carefully, okay. Guys, listen to me very carefully, okay. Guys, this finally block is going to execute every time, okay, whenever our this, okay, fetch data function will run, okay. Guys, whenever this fetch data function will run, this finally block is going to be executed, is going to run every time, no matter what is the result, what is the outcome of these two try and catch block, okay. This is it, okay. So now I am going to create here. So guys, inside the try block, okay, guys, inside the try block, we write such code, okay, which can, okay, throw us the error, which can give us the error, okay, which is prone to show or the give error, okay. Such kind of code we write in try block, okay. And inside the catch block we can catch the error, and I explained you this finally block is going to execute every time, no matter what is the outcome, what is the output of these two try and catch block, okay. Whenever this fetch data is going to be run, okay, is going to execute, okay. This is it, okay. So guys, now I am going to create here one const very quickly, and I'll just say here response, okay. Response, I'll just use here the JavaScript very famous method called fetch method, okay. But guys, before this fetch we have to use here, but let me just, okay, let it be first as of now. So I'm going to use here this, okay. Let me just go to the example. Let me just, okay, copy this URL from here only. Let me just copy this URL from here. Let me just paste it here, okay. So paste it here, and guys, now, okay, this fetch, okay, guys, this line fetch is going to return us one promise, is going to give us one promise, okay. So guys, we have to wait, okay. Guys, we have to wait as long as this promise is going to be resolved, okay. So guys, we have to wait as long as this promise is going to be resolved, okay. Okay, so this line, guys, this line is going to give us one promise, okay, is going to return us one promise, and we have to wait, okay, for few seconds, okay, like 1 second, 2 seconds, or fraction of seconds also, as long as, okay, this fetch method is going to take, okay, as long as this fetch method is going to take, okay, to return us the promise, to give us the promise. So we have to use here a wait keyword as well, okay. This is it, okay. So now let me just, okay, console.log here. I'm going to console.log here the responses for you also. So let me just say here console.log. I'm going to console.log this response, okay, what we are getting here inside this response, okay, what we are getting here inside this response, okay. So now let me just check here if our response is okay or not, okay. So guys, let me just copy this response like variable, okay, and we will just use here the exclamation mark, okay. We will just use here the exclamation mark, okay, to negate the response, okay. So we will just say here response dot okay. So guys, now, okay, guys, if it says, guys, this line says, okay, this piece of code says, okay, guys, if response is not okay, guys, here we can see here I have negated here this response dot okay, okay. Guys, if this is true, this exclamation mark will make it false, okay. If this is false, this exclamation mark will make it true, okay. So guys, here inside this if block, I am going to check here if response is okay or not. Okay, if response is true or not. Okay, so guys, inside this function, inside this if block of code, we are going to check if a response is okay or not. Okay, if response is okay, if a response not okay is true or false. Okay, and you can see here I have used here the exclamation mark also to negate it. Okay, if it is true, it will make it false. Okay, if response not okay is true, it will make false. If response not okay is false, it will make it true. Okay, so in this way we can check for the response also. Okay, so guys, in this way we can check for the response also. If response is not okay, if response is not true, okay, guys, if this response not okay is not okay, is not true, we will just throw here one error as well. Okay, so we will just say here throw new error. Okay, throw new error, and we will just throw the error. And guys, and inside this, okay, whenever guys, whenever our control will come to this if block. Okay, if response is not okay, guys, if response is not okay, then our control will come to this if block, and the control will encounter this error. Okay, and directly the control will jump to this catch block. Okay, and directly the control will come to this catch block to catch the error, and we can show the error to the user also in the console and on the browser as well. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I'm going to say here, let me just use here the backtick to make it dynamic. I'll say here http error, http error. Okay, I'll just show here the status as well. Okay, status. So let me just say here colon. Okay, give a space. I'll just say here dollar. I'll just use here open and closing curly braces. I'll just say here response. Okay, response dot status. Okay, to show the status. If it is 200, if it is 200, if response dot status is 200, which means everything is okay, everything is fine, everything is all right. Okay, if response dot status is 404, which means everything is not okay, page not found. Okay, guys, if a response dot status is 200, it means everything is okay, everything is fine, everything is all right. Okay, if response dot status is 404, which means everything is not okay, and we have encountered one error. Okay, either this URL is not found, okay, or the user is not connected to the internet. Okay, so this can be the some like expected issues with the user. Okay, either this URL is wrong, or either user is not connected to the internet. Okay, if this is not the case, we will get the response as well. Okay, so guys, suppose now if response is okay, we will get the data. Okay, so I'll just create here one const. I'll say here data. Okay, guys, if response is okay, the control will not come to this if block. Guys, listen to me very carefully. If response is okay, the control will not come to this if block, and now we will get the data as well. Okay, so I'll just say here response. Okay, this response dot json. Okay, this response dot json to convert the JSON data back in JavaScript object in JavaScript array. Okay, we will say here this response. Okay, this response dot json to convert the JSON object into JavaScript object or into JavaScript array. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, here we got the data, and now we will just use this state updater function called set users to set this users variable. Okay, to set this users state variable, and you can see here as of now this users is an array. Okay, this users is an array. Okay, so copy this set users state variable from here, and we will just update. Okay, we will just set this state variable using this data what we are getting here, what we are fetching here from this API. Okay, from this API URL. Okay, so just set this. Okay, so guys, in this way set users, we have set this data, and now guys, everything from this data is now inside this set users array. Okay, inside this set users array state variable. Okay, inside this set users array state variables. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. So now if if we got the issue, if response dot okay is not true, we will come to the catch block also directly the control from here. After this if block, the control will directly jump to this catch block. Okay, the control will directly jump to this catch block. Okay, and we will just show the error, we will just catch the error as well. Okay, so I'm going to say here console dot error to show the error to the user on the console or in the console. We will just say here error. Okay, fetching the users data. Okay, this is it. Let me just put here comma. I'll just show here the error as well. Okay, this error, what is the issue, what is the error? Okay, and inside this okay, set error state updater function, we can update the error also, what is the error, and we can show the error to the user as well. Okay, so now we will just say here paste it, and we will just say here this okay error. Okay guys, this error object, okay guys, this error object will have one message property as well. Okay guys, this error object okay will have one message key as well. Okay, or the property as well. Okay, so we will say here error dot message to show the actual message, what is the issue, what is the like problem with this okay fetch. Okay, with this fetch. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, and inside this finally block we will just set this loading to false again. Okay, we will just set this loading to false again. I explained you that okay, I explained you that this finally block will execute every time, no matter what is the outcome of these two try and catch block. Whenever our this fetch data is going to execute, is going to run. Okay, so we will say here inside the finally block we will say here set loading to, again we will set it to false. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, in this way we have just defined here our fetch data function. Okay guys, in this way we have just defined here our fetch data function, and it is a async function. So we have to call this. Okay, we have to call this fetch data explicitly. Okay, we have to call this fetch data function explicitly. So I am going to do it now. I am going to call this okay fetch data explicitly here only below this. Okay, inside the use effect hook only. Okay, inside the use effect hook only. Okay, we will just say here this. Okay, and close this. This is it. Okay, so we will just write the comment here also, call the function. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so this is it guys. Okay, or we can say let me just call this after this cleanup function. Okay, so let's just call it here. Okay, this is it, no issue at all. Okay, we can call here as well, no issue at all. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now let me just save the file, and let me just go to the browser, and let me just go to the developer tools, go to the inspect, go to the console, and now let me just refresh the page one more time manually also. Okay, so so sorry guys, we have to write here await keyword as well. Okay, so we have to wait for the response. Okay, we have to wait for the response as well, so we have to use here the await keyword as well. Okay, you can see here we have to guys, okay, we have to wait for the response. Okay, you can see here without the await keyword, be like be okay, like server is not going to know. Okay, server is not going to know that whether we are waiting for the response or not. Okay, so we have to use this okay await keyword to wait for the response. Okay, so guys, now just save the file and now refresh the page one more time. Am I connected? Yes, I am connected. Okay, so let's just refresh the page one more time. Go go to the message. So there is no issue at all, but let me just check what is the issue. So await, okay, fetch users, okay. So let me just console.log the data, okay. Let me just console.log the data as well, okay. So let me just console.log, so console dot log the data to show the data to you also. So console.log data, save the file, have a look in the browser, and now let me just refresh the page one more time. Okay, so let me just use effect, we are calling it. So no issue, there is no issue at all. So let me just so fetch, okay, data, this is the async method. And let me just okay, let's just copy cut this out, okay, from here, and just paste it here only. Okay, so now guys, we can see here the data, okay. You can see now we will get the data. So now refresh the page. So see, boom guys, now we can see here we got the data here. You can see here we got the data, okay. So we have to because guys, okay, we can see here this is the cleaner function, okay. So we can't write anything below this, okay, below this, okay, cleaner function. Either we have to remove this, or you can see here we have to remove this, okay. We have to remove this, okay. So let's just remove this. We don't need here the cleanup function, cleanup function. So let's just remove this, and now just save the file. And you can see here, now we can see here the response, okay. You can see here response.ok is true, okay. You can see here response.ok is true. You can see here I'm checking here response.ok is true or not, okay. If it is true, we will get the data. If it is false, we will get the issue, okay. So let me just put here some string also. So this now URL is the this URL is now wrong, okay. This URL is now wrong. So control S, save the file, and now refresh the page. You can see here we got the error also, error fetching the user data, http error status 404, okay. You can see here error fetching the users data, error, okay, http error status 404, okay. Which means okay, which means this URL is not correct, this URL is not, okay, legit, okay. So that's why we can see here error fetching the users data, error http error status 404, okay. Which means not found, okay. Which means not found. You can see here we got the response.ok is now false. You can see here this response.ok is now false, okay, is now false, okay. Response.ok is now false. You can see here now the status is 404, which means not found, okay. Which means not found, okay. So let's just remove this s, okay. Remove this extra s, okay, from here. So say users. So now you can see here, now refresh the page, and you can see here now the status is okay. Go to the response. You can see here response.ok is now true, and now the status code is now 200, which means everything is okay, everything is fine now, okay. Everything is all right, okay. You can see here response.ok is true, and the status is also 200, and we are getting the data as well, okay. So we are going to show this data, okay, to the user, okay, on the browser, okay. So you can see here we are getting here 0 to 9, okay. So technically we are getting here 10 user data, and this is the array, okay. You can see here this is the array, okay. This is the array, and as of now it is getting here only 10 element, okay. Only 10 element, okay. So just cut this out. I showed you and I explained you very well also. So now guys, we have to just show the data which we are fetching, okay. So just now copy this, okay, users from here, and now inside this, okay, div, inside this div we are going to show the users data, okay, on the browser. So we will just use here open and closing curly braces. I'm going to use here the map method, okay. We can see here guys, let me just write this first. I'll just say here user user, and I'll just pass the index also. So I'll just use here the filter function like this. Okay, so open this and just create here one div also, and let me just close this div. Okay, so guys, you can see here I explained you this user is the array. Okay, this user state variable is the array. Okay, you can see here this is the array. Okay, this is the array. So on this user state variable, we can of course run this map method. Okay, because this is the array, so we can obviously run the map method on this user's state variable array. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I'll just give the class name also. I'll just say here call lg. I'll say here call lg for. I'll say here call, okay, x double xl. Okay, double xl. I'll say here 4 also. I'll just say here margin top also 4. Okay, I'll just pass here the key prop as well. I'll just say here index as a key prop. Okay, this is it. So open this div, and guys, now inside this div I'm going to create here another state variable. Okay, I mean I'm very sorry, I'm going to create here the div. Okay, because I'm going to explain you each and everything about the state variable, state like use effect hook also. So sometime I keep saying like a state variable, state like updater function. Okay, so I'm very sorry for this. I'm going to create here another div. Okay, I'll just create here the class dynamically. And dynamically I will create the class also. I'll just use here the backtick to dynamically apply the classes on this div. Okay, I'll just say here card. Okay, I'll just say here shadow shadow lg. Okay, and now I'll just create here the dynamic classes using the curly braces or dollar sign. I'll just say here, I'll just check with this. Okay, dark mode state variable. Okay, so let me just paste it here. Okay, let me just paste it here, and we will just say here if this is true, we will apply here the bg dark. Okay, we will apply here the bg dark. I'll say here text white. Okay, text white. And if this is false, I'll just apply the blank or the empty class. Okay, this is it. Okay, so open this div. Inside this div I'm going to create here another div. Okay, I'll just create here the class also. I'll give the class. So close this div. I'll just use the class. Okay, card body, and I'll just give here the padding also. Say here 3. Okay, so now inside this div I'm going to create here another h5 element. Okay, so h5, I will just give the class name also. I'll just say here card title. This is it. So we have to show here the user name. I'll just say here this use. Okay, say here user, not use. Say here user. Okay, okay, this user. Okay, dot name. Okay, to show the name. Okay, as of now, just save the file. Okay, and have a look in the browser first how it is going to behave, how it is going to look like. Okay, so save the file and have a look in the browser. You can see here, now we can see here the username is now shown in the card. Okay, and as of now I have shown here the entire card. Okay, so all the 10 card I have shown here. Okay, all the 10 cards I have shown here. Okay, as of now. Okay, so let me just create the card. Okay, very quickly. Okay, so below this h5 I'm going to create here few p elements also. So let me just close this p. I will just create here the strong element here also. I'll just say here strong, and just to close this strong. Okay, I will just say here email, to show the user email address. Okay, this is it. Okay, I'll just give the class name also to this p element. I'll say here card. Okay, text. Okay, card text is the class. Okay, so let me just inside this p I will just say here user dot email, to show the email address of the user. Save the file, have a look in the browser. See, boom guys, we can see here user email address is now shown here. So let me just copy this p element. Okay, and very quickly let me just paste it couple of times also. So to show the phone number, city. Okay, and we can show the like address also. We can show guys each and every details as well. Okay, I'm going to show each and every details of the user. Okay, so let me just say here instead of, okay, I'll just say here phone. Okay, so I'll just say here phone number to show the phone. I will just say here I'll just say here user dot phone to show the phone number, I'll just say here address. Okay, to show the address, or we can show here the first city. Okay, so I'll just say here user dot. Okay, or we can say here. Okay, so let me just see what data we have to show here first. Okay, so we can show here city, and I'll just say here user dot address. Okay, user dot address dot city. Okay, dot city. Save the file and have a look in the browser first. Okay, so you can see here now the user email address is shown, phone number is shown, and this city is also shown. Okay, so now let me just create here button also to show the email address and to show the user data in the modal as well. Okay, so let me just create here button. Okay, inside this div only. So let me just create here div first. I'll just create here the classes also. I'll just say here card footer or d flex. Okay, and say here card footer as well. Okay, this is it. Okay, and now we're going to create here. I'll just say here justify. Okay, so let's just copy this, okay, from here only, and let's just replace or paste it here. Okay, I'll just say here bit win. Okay, between. So just close this div now. Okay, and now let me just create here two buttons. Okay, so I am going to create here two buttons first. Okay, so I'll just say here button. Okay, so I'm going to use the button. Okay, from this, okay, and design only. So I'm going to use this button component. Okay, so just say here button and just close this button. Okay, so this is it. Open this, and now we will just say here the text also contact to. Okay, user, this is it. So now let me just say here we can say here type. I'll give here primary, or give here primary only. Okay, type as a primary only. Save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here the button is now shown here, contact user. Let me just copy this button only, and let me just paste it here. Okay, and now we will just say here as a text, I'll say here see details. Okay, and let me just this is it. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser first. You can see here now the button is here, see details also. But as of now we have to create here the tooltip here on this button. So let me just copy this tooltip component from here, this and design, copy it from here, and just paste it here, not like this, like this. Okay, so close this, and let me just cut this out, and let me just enclose this button only. Okay, so this is it. And now let me just give here the placement also. I'll say here top. Okay, I'll just say here color property also. I'll give here the color property as well. I'll say here black. Okay, now I'll just show the arrow also. I'll say here arrow equal to arrow. Okay, I'll just say here arrow equal to true. Okay, this is it. So as of now, let me just give you the title as well. So title, I will show here dynamic title. I'll say here this user. Okay, this user. Okay, this user dot email to show the email address in tooltip. To show the email address in tooltip. Save the file, have a look in the browser. See, boom, guys. Okay, see, boom. Okay, we can now see the user email address in the tooltip. Okay, okay, see, boom. And now try to apply the dark mode as well. So try to apply it now using this button, apply dark mode. So as of now dark mode is not applied. So let me just come to this button now. On this button we have to call here one method also. I'll just say here on click. We will just use here the anonymous filter function, and now copy this. Okay, set dark mode state updater function from here, and we will just say here that I'll just use here the this. Okay, I'll just use here this dark mode current value or the previous value using the fat arrow function. I'll just say here prev. Okay, prev. I'll just use here the filter function. I'll just negate it, this prev. Okay, so now save the file, have a look in the browser, click the button, apply dark mode. Now see, boom guys, boom. Now the dark mode is now applied, guys. Dark mode is now applied. Remove this, see, boom guys. And now dynamically also we are changing the button text, also we are changing the button background color as well. Okay, dynamically, see, boom guys, see, boom. Dark mode is now applied, see, boom. Okay, so see how cool and how awesome our application is. Okay, so guys, now let me just very quickly, first of all guys, let me just, okay, show all the things also. So let me just show here the company name as well as the uh, website as well. Okay, so just copy this and just paste it here. So we have to show here the company name and the website as well. Okay, so I'll just say here company. Now guys, I'm going to use here the javascript, okay, optional chaining operator. Okay guys, now we are going to show here, we are going to use here the javascript optional chaining operator to access the nested object property. Okay guys, we use, okay, javascript, okay, optional chaining operator to access the object nested property. Okay, so this is the very best use case to use the javascript optional chaining operator here. Okay, so I will just say here to show the company, I'll just say here company. Okay, I'll just say here company. Okay, I'll just use here the question mark and dot. I'll just use here this dot. Okay, let me just go to go to the developer tools. Okay, let me just go to the developer tools, go to this, open this array. Okay, open this array, open this first element, and guys, you can see here inside the company we have the company name. Okay, so guys, if user dot company is defined, okay, if guys user dot company is defined, then only we will access this name. Okay, then only we will access this name. Okay, if it is not defined, we will not access it, and it is not going to give us any runtime error as well. Okay, it is not going to give us any runtime error. Okay, so guys, the best advantage of using this optional chaining operator, that it is going to avoid giving us the runtime error. Okay guys, the best advantage of using this optional chaining operator to access the nested javascript, okay, object property is that it is going to avoid the runtime error. Okay, it is not going to give us the runtime error. Okay, if this company, if user dot company is not defined, okay, if it is not defined, we can't access this, and it is not going to throw the runtime error. So this is the biggest example, this is the biggest advantage of using the optional chaining operator in react, and this is the javascript, okay, optional chaining operator. Okay, and I explained you why we use it. Okay, so now likewise I'll just show here the website as well of the user. I'll say here website. To show the website of the user, we will say here user dot website. Okay, you can see here user dot website. Okay, so we will just say here user dot website to show the website. And here also let me just show here, I will also use here the optional chaining operator to access the city. Okay, if it is defined, if it is not null, if it is not null, if it is defined, then only we will access it, this city property, otherwise we will not access it. Okay, and this is not going to give us the runtime error as well. Okay, so our app is not going to crash. Okay, our app is not going to crash, our app is not going to stop all of a sudden. Okay, this is the biggest advantage of using the optional chaining operator. Okay, it is not going to crash our app, our app is not going to stop all of a sudden due to the runtime error, because optional chaining operator is going to avoid the runtime error. Okay, so this is the biggest advantage of using the optional chaining operator. Okay, this is it. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser, and now we can see here, boom guys, now we can see here, now I have shown here all the details of the user, email, phone number, city, company, and the website as well. And we can see the user email address in the tooltip also, whenever user is going to hover over this contact user button. Okay, so we can see here the user email address in the tooltip also. See, and now let me just create here the modal as well to show the user data whenever user is going to click on this button. See details, we will open a modal and we will show the user data, all the user data in the modal as well. And you can see here dark mode is doing great. We can apply the dark mode, we can remove the dark mode as well. We can toggle the theme between light mode and dark mode through this apply dark mode buttons. Okay, okay, so this is it. Come to the code now. We are going to create the modal now. So let me just go to the ant design. Okay, UI. Okay, so this is the ant design 5.0, where I'm using here this ant design 5.0. Go to the components. Okay, and go to the components and go to the modal component. Go to the modal component. So where is the modal component? So here is the modal. Open this. Okay, and this is the modal component from the ant design. Okay, so let's just vertically center. Let's just use this modal from this ant design. Okay, so go to the JavaScript. Okay, and let me just copy this modal components from here, and now let me just paste it here below this div. Okay, so guys, okay, very quickly guys, let me just do it one thing. Okay, let me guys do the very important things first. Okay, so guys, first of all, let me just show here the error. Okay, I am not shown here the error. You can see here I am just created here the loading or the error state variable, but I am not shown here the loading or the error state variable. So let me just do that now. Okay, so I am going to do that now. Okay, to show the loading, to show the error. Okay, so I'll just here only I'll just do that now. Okay, so I'll just check here if, okay, if loading is true. Okay, if this loading, just cut it from here. So say here. Okay, say here. Okay, if this loading is true, we will show the loader as well. Okay, we will just tell the user that we are fetching the data, we are loading the data for you, so please wait for a while. Okay, for like few seconds, please wait. Okay, if this loading is true, we will tell the user that please wait for a while. Okay, we are fetching the data from the server, from the external API, so you have to wait for a while. Okay, while we are fetching the data for you. Okay, so close this, and now I'm going to create here this. Okay, so guys, this is known as the JavaScript. Okay, fragments. Okay, this is known as the JSX fragments. Okay, but let me just create here container div. Okay, so I'll just close this div very quickly first. Okay, I'll just give you the class also. I'll just say here text center. Okay, I'll just say here margin top 5. I'll just say here display. I'll just say here 3, and I'll just say here text danger as well. Okay, to show the text red. Okay, because this is the loading status. Okay, and now we will just create here the strong element also inside this div. I'll just say here strong. I will just say here loading data for you, please wait a while. Okay, this is it, please wait a while. Okay, and let me just copy this, and let me just show here the error state variable as well. If there is any error, we have to show the error as well. Okay guys, if there is any error, we have to show the error as well. Okay, so guys, being a good developer, being a perfect developer, we have to show guys each and everything. Okay, so copy this error state variable from here, and now we will just replace with this loading, and now we will just show here the error message also. We will just change this text also. We will just say here uh, error, okay, fetching data. Okay, and what is the issue with the error message? We can show that as well. So copy this error state variable from here, and just to replace or paste it here. So now just save the file. As of now we won't have any issue. Okay, so this is the okay, so let me just check what is the issue here. So return, so if loading is true, so let me just check here. So go to the developer tools, so go to the console, and modal. Okay, you can see here this is the issue with this modal. So just comment this out, and now just save the file. You can see here we don't have any issue. Okay, we don't have any issue at all. Okay, so you can see here we are also showing the like fetching the data to the user also. You can see here, you can see here fetching the data is shown here. You can see, please wait. Okay, see, please wait. Okay, so now let me just put here, let me just make this URL a wrong URL, put extra s here, save the file. Now we can see here, refresh the page. Now we will see here the issue, we will see here the error message as well. Okay, status 4 not 4. Okay, you can see here fetching error fetching data, http error, status 4 not 4. Okay, means this URL is not legit, this URL is not this URL this API URL is not valid. Okay, so this okay, fetch data is looking for this URL, this API URL, but this is not the legit or the valid URL. Okay, so that's why we can see here error fetching the data, http error, status 4 not 4. So we can see the issue as well. Okay, we can see here http error status I am showing here, http error status 4 not 4 c, and we are saying here error fetching the user data also. You can see here error fetching the data. Okay, let me just put here a few dots also. You can see here few dots is now here. So we are saying here error fetching the data. Okay, and we are just showing the error as well. What is the error, what is the status of the error? Okay, so this is it. Okay, so just now remove this as from here, save the file, have a look in the browser, and now refresh the page. Everything is fine, everything is okay. Now see, boom guys, now see, boom. Again refresh the page. Okay, so see, it's doing great. Okay, so see, we can apply the dark mode as well. Okay, so guys, now let me just solve this modal. Now we have to show the user details also in the modal as well. Okay, so let me just create here few state variables as well. Okay, let me just create here few state variable as well. So come to the and dot let me just copy this. Let me just copy this. Okay, state variable from here only. Why necessary create it? Okay, just copy it and I'll explain you. So this is the state variable and this is the state updater function set modal. Okay, you can see here this. Okay, so we have to create this. Okay, open like this is the open modal. Okay, so we have to create it also. So let me just first of all, now issue is now solved. So let me just come to the our app. You can see here now issue is now solved. Okay, we don't have any issue, if we want we can change this state variable also. I'll say here modal open. Okay, and we'll just say here set modal open. Okay, set modal open is up to us only, open. Okay, so copy this state variable modal open, and as of now we will have issue. Okay, save the file and come see, as of now we have the issue. So we have to copy this state variable open modal and we have to replace with this modal. Okay, open modal value, save the file, and now we can see issue is now gone. Okay, so now we will just create here one button on this button also. Okay, one function. I'll just say here on click we are going to create here the anonymous filter function. We will say here open modal. Okay, and now I will just pass this entire user object. Okay, this entire user object I'll just pass it here inside this open modal method. Okay, like this. Okay, so now just copy this open modal method name from here. We have to define it now. So now here only. Okay, let's just create here only. Okay, we can create anywhere, no issue at all now. So paste it here. Now give equal to, and now we will use here the filter function like this. Now close this. Okay, and now we will just say here or copy this, and now just say here true. Say here true. So now we will just open this modal. Okay, we will just open this modal. So let me just copy this. Okay, set open modal state updater function from here, and let me just replace with this also, and with this as well. Okay, so now save the file, have a look in the browser, and now refresh the page one more time manually, and now click this button, see details. See, boom guys, now modal is now being open. See, boom. Okay, see, boom guys, now we have to show the data, users data in the modal as well. Okay, in the modal as well. Okay, so this is it. So guys, let me just tell you one thing. Okay guys, this is the guys. Okay, guys, let me just tell you one thing very important. Okay guys, this modal is from this ant design. Okay guys, this modal, okay, this modal is from this ant design. Okay, so guys, we can't apply here the bootstrap classes. Okay guys, we can't apply bootstrap classes on this modal. Okay guys, we can't apply bootstrap classes on this modal, so we have to use here the custom css. Okay, to apply the dark mode on this modal. Okay, let me just close this. Let me just apply the dark mode here. Apply dark mode. Open this see details. Click this button, see details. You can see here the modal is still not applied. Okay, the dark mode is still not applied on this modal, so we have to write here our custom css to apply the dark mode on this modal as well. Okay, because we can't apply the bootstrap classes on this ant design modal, we have to write here our custom css to apply the dark mode on this ant design modal. Okay, so I am going to do that now. Okay, so guys, I have already written here css. Okay, custom css, I am going to import it now. Okay, I am going to import it now. Okay, so guys, this is the modal css.css. Okay, and this is the very basic css property I have already defined here. I have already written here modal css.css. So let me just import this css here in our app. Okay, I'll just say here import. Okay, and now I'll say here modal css.css. Okay, so let me just write the comment here also. Import here modal dark mode css. Okay, okay, this is it. Okay, and this is the modal css dot css. You can just pause the video and you can just go through it. This is very simple css, no rocket science at all. Okay, so just come to the code now, and here we have already imported it here. So now we are going to apply the dark mode. Okay, to this modal as well. So I am going to do that now. Okay, I'm going to apply the dark mode on this modal as well. Okay, so let me just do that now. Okay, so okay, let me guys take some breathe also. So okay, so just close this, refresh the page one more time, apply dark mode. So now we have to apply the dark mode on this modal as well. Okay, so we will just say here I will just say here I will just say here. mm, so let me just guys, okay, so let me just so we will say here class name, okay, and I will apply here the dynamic classes using the curly braces, using the backtick, not here. So I will just say here apply, okay, come to this css, okay, dark modal, okay. So copy this class from here and just come to the code. Now we will just say here if dark mode is true, okay, if dark mode, mm, say here, dollar sign and open and closing curly braces, if dark mode is true, we will apply this class, otherwise we will apply the nothing class, okay. Let me just see, okay, otherwise we will apply the nothing class, okay. So just save the file and have a look in the browser, and now see details. See, boom guys, now the modal is also in dark, okay. The dark mode is now also applied to the modal as well, okay. See, it's doing great, okay. So now we have to very quickly show the all the user details in the modal as well. So I'm going to do that now, okay. So let me just remove the dark mode, and now let's just see, okay. So see, dark mode is also removed from the modal as well. So see, it's doing great, okay. It's doing great, okay. It's doing great, okay. So let me just apply the dark mode first and check one more time. See, it's doing great. We can see the dark mode on the modal as well, okay. And it's doing great also. We just have to show the user details in the modal now. So I am going to do that now. So first of all guys, I am going to create here one state variable as well. I'll just create here one state variable. I'll just say here uh, modal data, and I'll just say here set modal data. This is it. Use state, use state, and let's just make this a array or an array, okay. So this modal data is now an array because initially I have created here a array. So this is the initial value of this modal data, and this is the empty array initial value of this modal data state variable, okay. This is it. So now just to copy this set modal data, and now whenever modal is opened, we have to set this modal data with this user. So copy it and just paste it here, and now in this way, in this way, in this way, we have set data to this modal data state variable, and it is an array. So we will just copy this modal data from here, and now we will just show each and everything in the modal as well. So I am going to do that now guys, okay. So first of all, let me just breathe, okay, some fresh air, okay. So guys, this is it. So please guys, subscribe now my this channel code with ER. Please guys, please do it now, okay. Please guys, consider me as a friend, consider me as a brother, and guys, I need your help, I need your support, and the only way you can help me and the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my this YouTube channel code with ER. Please guys, do it now, subscribe now, okay. I'm doing a lot of hard work, I'm doing a lot of hard efforts to create the awesome videos for you guys, okay. So now just come to the code. Now we have to say here, let me just first of all, let me just create here the strong element. I'll say here a stronger, strong, close this, and now we will just say here name, okay. Give colon, give a space, and now we will just say here open and closing curly braces. Now we will say here modal data, and modal data, and we will say here dot name to show the username. So as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser. Now click the button see details of any user profile card. See, boom guys, now name is shown here. You can see now the name is shown here. Click OK. Erwin Howell, see details. See, boom guys, okay. Click see details. See, now we can see the dynamic data in the modal as well. So close this. We will just show the all the details very quickly. So let me just guys copy this, and let me just paste it couple of times also. We have to show all the data. Okay, so let me just paste it couple of times. So let me just copy this entire things and just paste it below this. Okay, so now we will just say here email to show the email address of the user. We will just say here phone to show the phone number of the user. We will just say here city to show the city of the user. We will just say here company to show the company of the user. Okay, and to show the website also, we will say here website to show the website also. So we will just say here modal data dot email to show the email. Okay, we will just say here modal data dot phone to show the phone number. Okay, to show the phone number. And now to show the city, we will say here modal data dot address. Okay, dot address. I'll use here the JavaScript, like I told you, optional chaining operator, and I explained you what it is all about to show the city. So guys, okay guys, this code, okay, this code guys says, okay guys, this code says access, okay, access, okay guys, this code says access this city property, access this city property if and only if modal data dot address is not null, is not undefined. Okay guys, this line of code says state like access, okay, access this city property if and only if modal data dot address is defined, is not null. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, likewise I'll just say here to show the company, I'll just say here modal data dot company. I'll just use here the again optional chaining operator to show the company name. Okay, so you can see here access guys, access, okay, this company name guys, access this company name if and only if modal data dot company is defined, is not null. Okay, so in this way we are going to avoid the runtime error, and our app is not going to crash, our app is not going to stop all of a sudden. Okay, this is the biggest advantage of using the optional chaining operator. This is it. Okay, and now to show the website, we will say here mobile data dot website to show the website of the user. Save the file. Our modal is now ready. Our modal is now ready. Save the file. Have a look in the browser. Click see details. See, boom guys, now we can see here I have shown here each and everything, the name, email address, phone, city, company, and the website as well. Okay, click OK. See details. See, boom guys, see details. Close this. See details. See, see details. Okay, of this user. See details of this user. See details. Close this. Of this user. Okay, see details. Close this. Of this user. See details. Close this. Of this user. See details. Close this. And of this user. See details. Close this. Of this user. See details. Close this. Of this user. See details, and close this. Okay, apply the dark mode now. I'm sorry. See details. See, boom guys, now the modal is also in the dark mode phase. Okay, or we can say state. Okay, we can see here the modal is also in the dark mode state, because a dark mode is already applied by default. The dark mode is applied. See details. See, modal is also in the dark mode now. See how cool and how awesome our application is. Okay, and now guys, we are going to implement the pagination as well. Okay guys, now we are going to implement the pagination. Okay guys, now we are going to implement the pagination, so be careful and be mindful. Okay, and now because we are going to apply the pagination now, so come to the code now, and below here only I'm going to calculate, okay, a few things also. I'm going to calculate here few things. Okay, here I'm going to calculate here few things also. So now I'll just create here few const also. I'll say here const, I'll just say here index index of, I'll just say here last user, I'll say here equal to, I'll just say here this current page. Okay, this current page, you can see here as of now the default value is 1. The default value is 1 of this current page state variable. So paste it here, and now we will just multiply it by the user per page. Okay, we will just multiply it by user per page to get the index of the last user, to get the index of the last user. And now we will just create here another const. I'll just say here index of first user. I'll just say here this is the current page. I'll just say here now we will just say here index of last user. Copy this index of last user, and now we will just minus it. We will just minus it by the user per page. Okay, user per page. So in this way we will just get the index of, so user per page. Copy it from here and just paste it here. This is it. Okay, so I'll just explain you, don't worry. As of now just let it be. Okay, so now I'm going to use here the another, like I'm going to create here another const. I'll just say here current, say here current users. I'll just use here the this users. Okay, this users. Okay, I'll just use here the this users, and I'll just slice it. Okay, I'll just users dot slice. Okay, users dot slice. Okay, so guys, what to slice, guys? So I'll just slice this. Okay, index of first user, index of, okay, first user. So now index of first user, and put comma, and now index of last user. Okay, index of last user. Okay, so in this way let me just explain you. So guys, let me just copy this. Okay, explanation for from here. I will explain you, don't worry. Okay, so because it is going to take time also, and I will I've explained you each and everything. Okay, so guys, this is the logic. Okay, I hope you know what is, okay, array dot slice method is. Okay, so guys, if we will say here array dot slice, and we will pass, this is the first, okay, we can say index, and this is the last index. Okay, so the first index will be included, and the last element will be excluded. Okay guys, this will be the first element will be included, and the last element will be excluded. Okay, so you can see here we will get here 0 1 to 3, and from 8 and from 4 to 8 we will get here 4 5 6, and from 8 to 10 we will get here 8 9. Okay, let me just go to the W3 school. Okay, let me just show you what is the array dot slice method is. Okay, array dot slice in JavaScript. I'll explain you what it is. I hope you will get the clear picture. Okay, so let me just open this first. Okay, you can see here this is the 0 element, first element, second element, third element, and fourth element. Okay, it says fruit dot slice, so it will include the orange also, and it will exclude. So this is the first, this is the 0 first, so orange will be excluded, and lemon will be also included, and apple will be excluded. Okay, you can see here orange and lemon is here. If we will say here 4, if we will say here 4, then orange, lemon, and apple. Okay, then orange, lemon, and apple will be there. So run this, you can see here orange, lemon, and apple is here. Okay, so this is the feature of array dot slice. Okay, we are going to slice. Okay, we are going to slice the users. Okay, how many users we want to show from this users state variable. Okay, how many users we want to show on a single page, on pop page. Okay, from this users state variable. So we are going to slice it. Okay, we are going to slice it. Okay, here we are slicing it. Okay guys, here we are slicing it. Okay, from this users state variable. You can see here as of now I have just shown the entire user. Okay, I have shown here entire 10 users. Okay, but I want to show here 3 user, 4 user, 5 user, up to it's up to us to show how many users we want to show on a single page. Okay, so as of now I have shown here the entire user, all the 10 user I have shown here, but now from this users state variable I am going to slice. Okay, I'm going to slice. Okay, how many users I want to show per page. Okay, I'm going to slice. Okay, from this users state variable, because as of now this users variable, uh, as of now let's just close this. It is going to consume the resources in the background. Okay, and let me just close this and design as well. Okay, so this is it. As of now I have shown the entire user, all the 10 user, but now I'm going to slice the users. Okay, from this users state variable. Okay, so here we are doing that only. Okay, so I'll just say here slice users. Okay, from users state variable. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it guys. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now we will just calculate the number of page. Okay, now we are going to calculate the number of pages. Okay, I'll just say here const, just say here total total page. Okay, I'll just say here math dot seal. Okay, math dot seal. Okay, so we are going to use here math dot seal to get the bigger number. Okay, if like if there is, okay, 2.6, we will get here 3. If 2.5, we will get 3. If 3.5, we will get here 4. If 4.5, 4.6, we will get here 5. Okay, so that's why we use here math dot seal. Okay, and we will just say here this. Okay, we'll just say here how to, here we are going to calculate the user total page number. So we will just say here this users. Okay, this users dot length. Okay, dot length, and we will just divide it by the current user. We will just divide it the current user per page. Okay, how many users we want to show on each and every page, and by number of total users. So see, if we will have, okay, like 10 user, so number of user is 4. So we will get here, total page. Okay, total pages will be here 3. Okay, you can calculate how, okay. So total number is 10. So is 4. Okay, so 4, 10 divided by 4, 2. Okay, 10 divided by 4, 2. So we will get here something like 2 point. Okay, something here 2 point. Okay, let me just open the calculator. Okay, let me just open the calculator here. I'll just say here calculator. Okay, and I'm little big in, okay, like you can just no. Okay, so divide it here. Where is the division mark? Where is the division? Yeah, it's not here. What is the issue? I'll just say here 10 divided by 4. Hit okay, we will get here 2.5. Okay, 2.5, we got here 2.5. So we will get here total number of page 3, because we have used here math dot seal. So this is it. Okay, so guys, now in this way we have created here the total number of page also, and we have now used here we have now sliced here the current user, how many users we want to show per page. Okay, how many users we want to show per page. Okay, so now let me just copy this. Okay, let me just copy this from here, and we have to replace with this user. Okay, like I explained you what we are doing here. So we have to replace with this user. So just replace with this user. As of now, just save the file. Okay, as of now, just save the file, and now we have to do here certain things also. Okay, so let me just save the file, and now we will just see here 4 user. See, we will just see here 4 user. See, okay, only 4 user we can see here. If we want okay, so if we want, we can increase the number of sides. Say here make 5. Now we will have here 2. Okay, we will have here 2 page. Okay, now we have here user per page is now 5. So it's now total length is 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. Okay, so now you can see here 5 user is now shown here. Okay, so now we are going to create here the pagination. Okay, using this total page. Okay, using this total page, I am going to do that now. So copy this total page now from here, and now below this I am going to create the pagination. Okay, I am going to create here the pagination now. So I'll just create here another div. Okay, let me just write the comment for here you. Okay, let me just write the comment here for you. It's not 8 pg nation code. Okay, so now create here div, give the class name also. I can give here the class d flexer. So first of all guys, close this div. Okay, otherwise it will give you the error. Justify uh, center. Okay, and I'll just say here margin top 4. Okay, so close, open this div, and now we are going to use here the array dot from method. Okay, we are going to create here the array. Okay, array using this array dot from, okay, method, like this. We have to use here the open and closing parenthesis, and now inside this I'll just say here length. Okay, we'll just say here length. And how many length, guys? You can see here length of the pages is here. Total pages now. Okay, like 352, whatever it is. Copy this total pages. Okay, from here, and just paste it here. So in this way we are going to create here number of arrays. Okay, based on this total pages length. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. So now just I'm sorry, say here comma. I'll just use here because we don't need anything. Okay, any like value. I'll just use here the underscore. Okay, and I'll just pass here. We only need here index. So I'll just create here the index. I'll just use here the filter function like this. Okay, so I'll just open this. Okay, like this. And now I'll just create here the button. So say here button, and close this button now. Okay, and now open this button, and on this button I'll just say here this index. Okay, this index. Okay, this index. And now we will just say here +1. Okay, and now on this button I'll give the class also. I'll just pass here the first key prop. Okay, as a index only, and I'll just pass the class name also. I'll just say here class name. I'll just use here the dynamic class name. Okay, using the backtick, I'll say here btn. Okay, and I'll just say here mx 1. Okay, and I'll just use here the dollar and closing, open and closing curly braces. And now we will just copy this. Okay, uh, current page, copy this. Okay, current page state variable from here, current page state variable from here, and just paste it here. We will check. Okay, we will check with this index. We will check with this index only. Okay, so if let's make it 1 also, and if this is true, we will apply here the btn dark. Otherwise we will apply here, btn outline dark. Okay, otherwise we will apply here btn outline dark. Okay, this is it. Okay, so as of now this is it. So now we have to call here one method also on this button, on click of this button. So we'll say here on click, I'm going to use here the anonymous filter function like this. I'll use here filter function. So now let me just copy this. Okay, set current page from here, and now just come here, and we will just update it with this index. Okay, this index +1. Okay, this index +1. So every time this button is going to clicked. Okay guys, every time this button is going to be clicked, okay, it is going to set. Okay, using this set current page state updater function, it is going to set. Okay, this current page state variable, and every time we can dynamically calculate. Okay, for the first page, for the second page, and for the third page also, and dynamically whenever this button is going to be clicked. Okay, whenever this button is going to be clicked. Okay, set current page. Okay, So let me just copy this. Okay, set a current page from here, and we will just define it now here. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so we will just create here this. Okay, I can just say here. So let me just check. I can just or say here or say here. mm, or let's just try. Okay, let's just try to let's just try here. Okay, okay, let it be, guys. Okay, let it be. We will just say here handle handle change. Okay, so copy this handle change. Okay, and just come here and const, just paste it here. Okay, just paste it here, and now we will just say here uh, equal to like this. We will just say here page. Okay, we will just say here page. And what is the issue? Okay, here I am forgetting here the fat arrow. Okay, the arrow. Okay, so now save error is gone. So now just copy this. Okay, set current page state updater function, and we will just update. Okay, this with this page. Okay, with this page. Okay, so as of now just save the file, have a look in the browser. So now we can see here we got here the button also. So this is the first page. Click on second. See, boom, guys, it is not changing. See, it's not changing. Okay, it's not changing. Okay, so let me just let's just bring it into the center. Why button is not into the center? So justify content center. So let me just check what is the issue with. Okay, deflex. Okay, so now it's in center. So let's just show here to user pop page. Okay, show here to user pop page. Okay, so current user pop page I have decreased here 2. Okay, I have make it 2. Okay, so now save the file. You can see, boom, guys, now to user is now shown here. So second page, go to the first page, go to the third page, go to the fourth page. See, go to the fifth page. See, dynamically we are changing the pages also. And see, okay, so now, guys, here we have now also implemented here the pagination also using the react only, and it is very easy. Okay, it is very convenient. Okay, here we just have to like I mean what can I say, slice the this existing user state variable, because this is the main user. This is the main user. Okay, this is the main user. Okay, if we will replace, okay, if we will replace this current users with users, we will be able to see all the users. Okay, we will be able to see all the users. Okay, you can see here we are now able to see all the users on the same screen, on the same page. And now this, okay, won't work at all. Okay, although page is changing, but we can't see any user change. Okay, okay, so let's just control Z. So now, just now to user pop page, we can see dynamically we are changing the pages also. See, it's doing great. Okay, it's doing great. Okay, it's doing great. Okay, we can apply the dark mode as well. So go to the second page, go to the third page, go to the fifth page, go to this like fifth page. We can see the modal also. See, we can see everything is doing great. Okay, everything is dynamic, everything is doing great, everything is doing dynamic. Okay, see, okay, so close this user, okay, see, boom, guys, how cool and how dynamic it is. Okay, see details, see details. Go to the second page. Okay, see details, see details. Okay, go to the first page, see details, and see details. Okay, so guys, in this way we have learned a lot of things from this video, from this session. And I hope guys you have already subscribed now my this channel Code with ER, and you have liked this video as well. And please guys, okay, do comment, okay, something what you have learned, okay, from this video, from this session, in the comment section below, and I'll definitely read it, and I will definitely try to implement it, okay guys, in our session, in our video. Okay guys, you can give me the feedback also. It can be negative, it can be positive as well. Okay, so okay, so if guys, okay, if guys, we can guys apply here the instead of guys, okay, instead of, okay guys, instead of this async, okay, and await keyword, we can, okay, we can use here the dot then method as well. Okay guys, we can use here the dot then method as well. Okay, instead of async and await, we can guys use here the dot then method as well. Okay, if you want, I can just show that as well. Okay guys, and instead of guys async and await keyword, okay, we can apply here the dot, okay, then method as well. Okay, so let me just apply here dot then method as well now. So we have to remove this, okay, dot sync. Okay, so let's just remove this, let it be as it is. Okay, so we have to just remove this also, and now we have to let it be here, and now we have to say here dot then. Okay, we have to say here dot then, and now we will just say here in the response, I'll just say here response, okay, response. And let me just remove this console as of now from here, because we have to be very careful to apply this, okay, dot then. Okay, so now this is it. So now I'll just use here the this. Okay, so just open this, and now inside this I'll just check with this response. So cut it out from here and just paste it here. This is it. So let me just check. Or instead of this, okay, curly parenthesis, I can use here the curly braces as well. Okay, so okay, so now let me just say here, and now we will again use here dot then. Again we will use here the again dot then. Okay, so instead of this, we will say here return, we will say here return response. Okay, response dot json, response dot json. So it is going to return the response as a json, and now we will just convert this json data back into the javascript object, back into the javascript array. Okay, so now here inside this then we will say here data, and now it is going to give us the data. So let's just use here like this all data, and now use this, okay, factor function, and now we will just use here the open and closing curly braces. And now inside this we will just remove this. Okay, we don't need any wait keyword anymore, so just remove this. And then now we will just copy this, cut this out from here, and just paste it here. So this is it. So we can just console.log as well, cut it out from here, and just console.log here only. And we don't need this await keyword anymore, so let's just remove this. Let me just show you the response here also. So I'll just say here console, okay, console.log, and I'll just show you the response as well. Okay, so guys, now in this way we have converted our okay, dot okay, then method, I mean async and await method with our this dot then method. So we don't have to use now anymore this try catch block as well. So let's just remove this, okay, try. Okay, and now we'll just say here dot catch. Okay, we will just say here dot catch to catch the error like this, and we will just say here dot finally as well. Okay, so we have to use here the open and closing curly braces, and now we will just say here this. Okay, so like this, and now we will also say here like this. Okay, so now just try to save the file as of now. So we will use here the fat arrow function. So let's just use here fat arrow function, and now just cut this out. You can see here I am doing a lot of heavy lifting for you guys. Okay, so let's just remove this. We have to be very careful. So this is it. So now we will just use here the fat arrow function again here also in the catch block as well. So fat arrow function like this. So now error is gone. So now everything is, I hope everything is now resolved. So we have to remove this const also. So now this is it. So now this is much like a cleaner, and this is much okay, this is much understandable as well. Okay, so now finger crossed, save the file, have a look in the browser. Now refresh the page. So see, boom guys, we are getting the same data. Let me just show you the response also. See, we are getting the response as well. Okay, and I have shown here the data also. Let me just comment this out, this console, comment this console, this console also, comment this, and let me just refresh the page one more time. So see, we can't see anything, we can't see anything, any response, any data, which means our coding is doing great. Okay, and this pagination is also doing great. So just control Z, save the file, have a look in the browser. So now refresh the page one more time. We will see the response and the data as well. See, this is the response and this is the data. Okay, so this is it. So let me just see guys, if we want we can use here the Axios as well. Okay guys, if we want we can use here the Axios as well. Okay, so I'm going to use here the Axios as well. Okay, so we have to install here the Axios as well. Okay, so I'm going to install the Axios now. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to install the Axios. Okay, see, everything is doing great. So now I'm going to install the Axios as well. So let me just open the terminal, a new terminal. I'll just open this, and I'll just install the Axios. Okay, I'll say here npm install npm install Axios. Okay, install Axios, hit enter. See, it is being installed now. Okay, it is being installed. So now it is installed now. Okay, so now Axios is now installed. So we have to import it first. Okay, so let's just refresh the page one more time, because we have now installed the new dependencies. So just refresh the page. Okay, so now our Axios is now installed. So now we are free to use it now. I'm going to use it now. Okay, so we have to first import it. I'll say here import. Okay, I'll just say here import Axios from Axios. Okay, this is it. Okay, we have imported here the Axios from Axios, and now we just have to tweak, we just have to change, okay, little bit only here. Okay, only with this function we just have to tweak, we just have to change a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so instead of this fetch, I'm going to use here the Axios. Okay, so I'll just say here Axios dot get. Okay, Axios dot get. Okay, and guys, this is okay guys. Okay, this Axios okay is using dot then as well. So we will just say here this response. Okay, and if it is okay, so guys, here we don't have to use here anymore this response dot json. Okay, so we don't have to use here this response dot json anymore. Okay, so just remove this. Okay, just remove this. We don't have to use here this if as well. Okay, this Axios is going to handle each and everything on its own. Okay guys, we don't have to use this. Okay, check. Okay, response dot okay to check if it is okay or not. Okay, no, here Axios going to do the all the heavy lifting for us. Okay, so we have to remove this if also. Okay, so remove this if as well. Okay, so just to remove this. Okay, so now everything is now sorted out. See, using the Axios. Okay, we can only okay or if we want we can just remove this dot then as well. So let me just copy this, cut this out from this, and just to remove all this second then as well. Okay, and now we will just, okay, here only inside this then only we will just get the data. Okay, because Axios is doing going to check for the error. Axios is going to do all the heavy liftings, okay, for us, and we will just have to set we will get the response, and we just have to set the data. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so we will just say here response. Okay, we'll just say here response dot data to get the data. Okay, to get the data. Okay, so now just set the not here in the console also, but here inside the set user state updater function also, response dot data to get the data. Save the file, have a look in the browser. Now refresh the page. Because we have installed here the dependency, new dependency here, so it is taking a bit time to refresh the page. Okay, so we have to wait for few seconds only. Still loading. Still loading. So see, boom guys, boom. Now our Axios is doing great. Okay, see, our Axios is doing great guys. Okay, see, our Axios is doing great. We can see Pagination is also doing great. Okay, so we can see the details also, and we can apply the dark mode as well. See details, see details. Okay, go to the third page, we can see the details also. Okay, so it's dynamic, it's fully dynamic guys. Okay, fully dynamic. Okay, let me just go to the developer tools and see if we got the, if we get the response or the data or not. Okay, so see, they're getting the object here. See, is they're getting the object. So see, this is the xhr http and fetch. So this is the Axios. Okay, see, Axios is doing great. Okay, under the hood, and it is going to give us the data also. See, this is the data. Okay, so guys, all the heavy lifting is going to done by, okay, is doing by the our Axios only. Okay, all the heavy lifting is doing by the this Axios only, Axios.get. Okay, we don't have to pass the data, JSON data. We don't have to check for the response is okay or not. No, we can just use this simple code, and Axios is doing going to do all the heavy lifting for us. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I hope guys I've explained you something new, something cool, something awesome from this video, from this session, and I hope you have learned something cool, something great, something awesome from this video, from this session. Okay, and I hope guys you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and you will press the bell icon also. Please guys, please, okay, please subscribe now, and please press the bell icon also. So I hope guys we have come to the end of this video, end of this session. Okay guys, if you guys still have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys do ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to read it, and definitely try to revert back to you, and I'll just try to resolve all the issues as well. Okay, and if you want the code, I can just provide you the code also on my GitHub handle as well. You can just ask me in the comment section below. I'll just give you the link. Okay, so this is it guys, all about, okay, for this from this video, from this session. Okay, so I hope you have learned something new, something awesome. Okay, and thank you guys for watching my video, for watching my content. Okay, so thank you guys, thanks a lot, a lot, a lot. Okay, for being the part of this family, for being the part of this dynamic, lovely and lovely community of mine on the channel Code with ER. Please guys, please make the channel Code with ER a blockbuster channel on YouTube. Please guys, subscribe now, and please support me, and please promote me. Okay, because you can see here I'm teaching you a lot of hard work. I'm teaching you something like unique, awesome, like in JavaScript, in jQuery, in React, in Vue, in Angular, and in ServiceNow as well. Okay, so guys, let me just read something for you. Okay, so that it will give you the confidence to subscribe my channel as well. So I'll just read this for you. So hey everyone, I know I'm not here to create low grade, vulgar or obscene content just to get the subscribers. If that were the case, I'm sure some of you would have subscribed by now, but that's not my goal. My aim is to give back something meaningful and valuable to the society through education and knowledge. Okay, if you believe in the power of learning and want to be part of this journey, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button for my YouTube channel Code with ER. I'm here to teach you and empower you with the skills that will last a lifetime. Okay, remember guys, there are countless channels out there offering cheap, dirty and harmful content to entertain you, but here it's all about growth, learning and becoming better versions of ourselves. Okay, so if you have learned something today or found this session helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel Code with ER. Your support means the world to me. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Okay guys, your one subscriptions means the world to me. Guys, your one subscription means the world to me. Please guys, subscribe now, please, and promote me, and please support me. Okay, so at the end of the day, it's all in your hands. Okay, take care and I'll see you in the next session. We have got some amazing stuff lined up for you. Prabhat Pandit, that's me. So please guys, subscribe now. My other channel Code with Okay, please guys, please. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.